Get ready to bloom with Creative Memories' new Springtime Soiree collection. First, add some sweet details with the Springtime Soiree stickers, 3 sheets of delicate designs perfect for any page. Matte photos, journal, and decorate your layouts with the Springtime Soiree matte pack. Build your layouts with the foundation of the collection, the Springtime Soiree paper pack, 12 double-sided papers featuring a gorgeous palette. Add dimension with the Springtime Soiree layered border embellishments. Give your layouts that extra touch of elegance. Customize your pages with our new tools. The Watering Cans Border Maker cartridge adds a touch of whimsy, while the Floral Ribbon Border Punch creates beautiful, delicate edges. Protect your memories in our simply stunning 12x12 Springtime Soiree album cover made with hyacinth shimmer book cloth. And for some springtime coordination, use the pre-designed 12x12 Delicate Tones Fast to Fab refill pages. Just add photos and journaling and you'll have a gorgeous page. The Springtime Soiree collection from Creative Memories. Celebrate the season of new beginnings.